Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and backing up. Make sure your PC meets minimum resources and copy personal files to an external drive. This prevents data loss. Next, download the official Windows 10 ISO and a bootable USB tool like Rufus, or use Microsoft's Media Creation tool. Once done, create the USB installer and confirm the drive boots in BIOS/UEFI. This prepares you to begin installing Windows 10 while preserving recovery options and a restore point if you need to revert. You boot the PC from the prepared USB and follow the installer prompts. Select language and choose Install Now, then opt for Custom Install if replacing Windows 7 or wanting a clean partition. Allocate or format partitions as needed, but make sure you know which partition holds your backup. Enter a product key if available, or skip and activate later in settings. Once the files copy and the system restarts automatically, you will complete setup and driver installation after first boot. Don't interrupt power or remove the USB yet. You finish by installing drivers and running Windows Update to bring the system current. Prioritize chipset, networking, and graphics drivers from vendor sites. Configure privacy and user accounts, then restore backed up files. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot systematically. Check BIOS boot mode, legacy versus UEFI, confirm USB or disk partition table, MBR vs GPT, and reset drives or revert BIOS changes. If boot fails, use the USB installer to access repair options. Startup repair and command prompt can restore bootloader or rollback changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.